Hi guys, welcome. For those who don't know me, my name is Matt. We're based up on the Gold Coast. Me and my partner and wife own Shoreside Plumbing. We're basically a maintenance-based company. Now, we go into a lot of people's houses that ask us about water and filtration systems and quality of water. And if I'm going to be completely honest with you, 90% of the plumbers that walk through your door won't know how to answer your question. I know this because I didn't know this until I started looking into it, because clients would ask me questions I didn't know the answer to. So there's a couple of different filtration systems. You've got something like a 3-phase filtration system, which is a full house filtration systems. Now the beauty about something like this, it means whatever you're showering in, you're actually filtering as well. Now the list is endless of what it can help, but one of the main things my clients have found is things like eczema. It doesn't not only help it, it vastly reduces the signs and the symptoms that it can cause. Now, our plumbing company that we've had on the Gold Coast have installed lots of different filtration systems. We've decided to come on board with Fix My Water because what we found with the information we were provided is it's second to none. They haven't just gone your normal 3-stage filtration system, slap it on the house, let's go. Being a maintenance-based company, they've thought about everything. And what I mean by that is, if you zoom in to these threads here, even something simple as a basic thread, they haven't gone cheap. They've gone brass to brass. Now, as a maintenance-based company, what we find we fix a lot of is the plastic fittings that are running into your housing. So just by the company taking that extra little bit of care in their product, it's gonna save you maintenance on your system in the future. Another great product, which I haven't seen on any other system, is a dual stage O-ring setup. Most companies will only run the one O-ring, so it means you've got more chance for it to fail. So again, what we found out with doing our maintenance is if it's not the thread that's going, it's the seal that is perishing. But as you can see, the guys at Fix My Water have doubled up, gone a double O-ring, which again is going to save you money in the long run. Not only do they have a dual gauge setup, it is a stainless steel setup along with the cover. Now the other systems I used to install, to be honest, it took me longer to figure out how to put the cover on than building the system. And let's be honest, most of us like our houses to look good. We want it to be presentable. So not only is it a stainless steel cover, which is going to stand the test of time, you can get it powder coated in nearly any color you like to match your house, your facade, wherever you're putting the product.